Hello, Melanie here, Bell Camper Sales in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Thank you for joining me today on this 360-degree video. I am about to show you one of the most incredible fifth wheels I have seen this season. This is a brand new 2022 KZ Durango Gold 391 RKF is the model number. This is a 42-foot fifth wheel. Durango, if you don't know, the KZ, when they make their gold products, it is one of the few fifth wheels out there that you can actually be in full time and it does not void any warranty. So this thing is made very solid, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised at many of the features and amenities that it does have. And whether you're camping or full time, I think you would have everything you need in this unit. So we're going to get started here in this amazing kitchen. This you do have a slide out here for your dinette table, and this table and chairs, there's 2 on display here, but it does come with 4. The other 2 are stored in the closet. The kitchen design, of course, the colors are a little bit different on the 2022 this year, but the amount of counter space and the elegance and luxury on this unit are bar none. So you have a lot of overhead cabinets, solid wood doors, and of course you can see these have hidden hinges, so a very nice sleek design. A lot of counter space, real heavy material here, and don't you just love this drop down farm style sink. You still have the high arch sprayer here, so really easy to do cleanup. And just go this way, this new stove oven here made by Insignia. Very large burners up on top. I mean, you feel like a chef cooking in this kitchen. Extra large oven. Wouldn't be any problems baking even a turkey in there. And then the elegant design of even the microwave just brings it all together here. This is your convection cooking and microwave. More storage up above. And then, of course, we overlook the dishwasher. Who wants to be spoiled with a little bit of a dishwasher inside their RV? And then another feature that a lot of people love is the trash can that's already built in. So that just rolls out, makes it very easy, out of your way. And all of these drawers are solid wood, but they also have a self-guide. So as you push them in, the last little part of it just goes in all by itself. Of course, we can't overlook this massive refrigerator back here. This is 23 cubic feet and has several compartments here. This opens up a lot of different shelving you can put in. You do have the water filter here for the front piece and the ice maker. There's an additional storage area here, and with your controls panel on this drawer. And then, of course, you have freezer space at the bottom, and then stuff scoots back, so you have all this deep space here to store your food. Over in the dining area, of course, you do have those 4 chairs that can be folded up and put away. All of the windows here have both the day and night shade, so it just makes it really easy to close that sun out and still have some privacy, or at nighttime close it down all the way. One other little feature here in this kitchen, and of course this is a huge camper, so we have different sections we're going to be reviewing today. Would love for you to come down so we can give you a personal tour. Today we're just going to touch on a few of the highlights. At the end of this large countertop, there are additional pull-out shelving. These lock in place, and this whole thing pulls out. It goes the full length of this countertop. Of course, stored here is your central vacuum hose system. So you have 2 of those pull-out shelves. You can also access them on this side if you don't need to roll them all the way out. And then under the sink, they've already have a built-in place to store the covers for your sink, and these are very heavy. Heavy and high quality, and those already have the cutouts and the molding for that to fit right in there, and of course those can be cutting boards too. So you have two pieces that will cover your sink completely, giving you even more counter space. Okay, so here we are in the living room. You have opposing slides in this area, so it gives you a lot of room, a lot of floor space here. Ceiling fan up above. You can see how high the ceilings are here. This double recliner here, theater seating, gives you electric reclining, and then it has heat and massage, a little charger port, USB charging port there too, and cup holders in the middle. And if you needed seating for additional guests, you have two sofas on both sides, and both of these do convert to a full-size bed just by removing the cushions and folding those down, and we'll give a little example of that a little later. And in the center you have this ottoman with some additional storage in that. We'll have to kick your feet up here, but this Thomas Paine collection of furniture, high quality, very comfortable to sit on. The fabric is water and stain resistant, so it should last a long time. You have some additional storage up above the sofa here, a little more lighting. And then behind us is the TV and fireplace. So as you're sitting here enjoying family, you have a wonderful ambiance on this 40-inch fireplace in front, and then TV already connected with the sound bar. Just going to turn this around a little. So you have all of this here with storage up above. More cabinets here. Of course, your Bluetooth sound bar right there. Central vacuum system is right here on this bottom step. And next part of our tour is going to be upstairs to show you the incredible bathroom and large bedroom. Okay, so here we are together in the bathroom. How many RV bathrooms do you get? Two sinks in the bathroom and counter space. Still massive amount of storage here. Good lighting. We have a skylight in the shower. Of course, your shower does have the bench seat there and a little shelf to hold all your toiletries. And this beautiful glass door, which are also nice and easy. And then you have some linen storage, a pretty large cabinet here, and then shelves in this one down below. And these just shut so nice with those magnets too. Underneath the sink, more shelves, and of course drawers in the middle, mirrors on both sides, and then you do have the MaxxAir fan vent, which has a rain cover and a rain sensor, so it'll make sure that, if you do have it open, it will shut down for you automatically. Okay, so here we are in the master suite of this 2022 KZ Durango Gold. We're going to touch on a few of the highlights here, and then there are some amenities outdoors too. I hope that you do get an opportunity to come down and take a look. This one's outfitted with a solar package, so you can go totally off-grid. TV already installed, and the pass-through storage outside, power awning, just to be able to extend all that enjoyment outdoors too. So, but inside this master suite, you have a king-size bed that has electric tilt. So if you would like to sit up in the bed, just makes it all the easier to do that while watching the TV that's already right here installed. And then behind me is more storage for clothing. In this closet, you do have washer and dryer connections already there. This can support an all-in-one unit or stackable, whatever your preference is. And then on the other side, full wardrobe hang-ups along with a shoe shelf that's built in. And then of course you do have your fireplace and additional drawers for storage on this end. Can't say many bad things about this fifth wheel. It did pack a lot in. My name is Melanie. I've enjoyed showing it to you today. Please come visit us here at Bell Camper Sales. We would love to show you this one or any of the other RVs that we have available. We'll see you soon, and let's get you camping.